acknowledge me. Say hi to the camera. Yay. Yeah, this is down there. It's very boring. Yeah. This is, yeah. I'm documenting y'all.
5-0. 22. Marcus Campbell. Remember me one day in the NFL. Person going in the college draft.
Word.
Be big stuff. Young gun. Running back.
Okay. Yeah, that was Marcus Campbell. Nick, do you want to say anything?
Somebody gonna be trying to buy that from you one
No.
day.
Oh, okay.
You know.
Oh. Yeah. Oh, snap. Look at Miss Clay. This going on YouTube. Y'all gonna be YouTube famous. Word. Especially Marcus Campbell.
Be on YouTube.
Bye.
I want to see it now.